This is what happens to bad kitties.
Go commit crimes. No, not that one. Not that one.
You're gonna have to sell your feet pictures. Oh.
Kitty, you good?
I feel like it's kind of mean to keep them inside for their whole lives, but that's just my...
Oh. Hi, how you doing?
Kitty, kitty. Wow, you're nice, kitty.
Buddy, can I just get my key?
How much more of a circle can you be?
Let me see your face. Come here.
Hey, buddy, I can't let you outside.
Why the fuck were you up? No.
What?
Is your food bowl empty?